So if you all have been thinking about investing in Starlink but thought the services might be too expensive or it's just not something you might necessarily need on a daily basis, they just dropped an update over the weekend, 2 new plans, including a newer Roam plan that is only $10 a month, which is phenomenal for weekend adventures or if you just need it here or there. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at some of Starlink's new offerings. There are some inexpensive ones like this, all the way up to some ridiculously priced offerings. But jumping right into it, and let me grab it, I'm going to throw this up on the screen for you guys as well. You have now a base Roam 10 gigabyte plan, which actually even tells you, use Starlink for weekend travel or backup. It includes 10 gigabytes of Roam data per month. It says it's approximately 1 day of typical usage. That's obviously going to depend and vary on what your use case is for it. And then additional Roam data is available by gigabyte. It's, I think, about $10 per gig. That could be wrong. Let's look into that here as well. You obviously do have their Roam 50 gigabyte plan for $50 a month. And this is one of the main ones that they've been really pushing for a while. And it's what we originally had while we were using it a little more heavily. You have your Roam Unlimited plan, which is $165 a month. A global Roam plan for $400 a month. Local priority subscription, and I want to touch on this because if you notice at the top here also, it does say service location is at capacity, but if you wanted to pay a premium of $40 a month here, this gives you priority high-speed service for businesses and other high-demand users for in-motion use within one country. All plans include priority support, public IP, and a telemetry dashboard. The priority plan gives you the flexibility to match your data needs. Choose from one of our preset plans and adjust it to your needs by adding blocks of data in increments of 50 gigabytes or 500 gigabytes. And then you have, again, a global priority subscription for $150 a month that gives you access across the countries, not just one. So if you're like us, wanted to dabble in Starlink but never really wanted to splurge on it or use it as your really dedicated home internet, you can get a Roam plan. You don't have to use the traditional satellite dish, the original one that they came out with. Although if you are looking to change your home internet, use that referral code down below. Some states are offering crazy deals on the dishes right now for only $150 for the hardware for the permanent structure. This isn't something you're going to want to move around with. It's a lot larger than that Roam is, really the Starlink Mini, I should say. Beyond that though, if you follow the channel, we have been very impressed with the speeds we're getting from the Starlink Mini and using it in either our Model 3 or Cybertruck as we drive around, or even just popping it in the backyard and using it for whatever we might need if our internet was down. It has been very surprisingly good, consistent, and reliable, especially when there has been interruptions, service interruptions here for our regular internet that we have. And also, if you follow the channel, we have done a total review of portable power banks that can even use to power your Starlink Mini. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm actually shocked they introduced a $10 plan. That seems ridiculously cheap and a no-brainer. Huge fan. Use that referral link down below. We greatly appreciate it. And let us know in the comments down below, if you already have Starlink, what do you think about it? How much benefit have you gotten since you've actually signed up? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.